Hello everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to the holiday card series. Today I'm using the Gerda Steiner Designs Carol Kitten stamp set to create some tags, and I'm using the MFT Fold Up Tags. I am going to turn on some music for the coloring today. I hope you don't mind. I do usually talk through the coloring, but I want to get this video up, and so the easiest way to do that is to cut down on editing, so music it is for today. But I do want to mention Jamie has ordered a couple more of these stamp sets in the shop because they were so popular, and she has also placed a number of holiday stamp sets and dies into the holiday section, and everything in that holiday section is 30% off. And the best part about it is you can use my coupon code JEN10, don't forget that's Jen with 2 N's, to save an additional 10%. She also recently received the new MFT release, the new Fawn release, which I picked up a couple of goodies from, and the new Gerda Steiner release, which I ordered the Panda Valentine's set, which I can't wait to get my hands on. So I'm going to color all 4 kitties in a different color combination. I hope you enjoy, and I'll come back once I'm ready to create the tags. I hope you enjoyed seeing all those cute little kitties come to life. Here are all the tag pieces cut out of some 110-pound cardstock. This is a bag of old Doodlebug Christmas paper that I've left, and so I'm going to use up my scraps to create these tags. So I've cut 4 of the bases from the Fold Up Tags sets, and I've cut them first out of 110-pound cardstock just so that there's some stability. And then I'm using the same die to create the piece of pattern paper that will go on the top portion of the tags. Now, you could, with double-sided paper, just simply cut the tags out and not have them on the white cardstock. I wasn't sure what I was going to be attaching these to. These are some tags for my staff at work. I'm just showing you there that these are fold-up tags, hence the name of them, so you can actually fold them up so that you can write messages on the inside, but I just wanted them adhered down flat. So as I was saying, I wasn't quite sure what I was going to be getting my staff this year to go along with these tags as a little holiday gift. So I wanted the extra stability. Now I'm using the same die for the bottom, but you saw there that a lot of those pieces don't go up all the way, and that's okay because I'm covering them each with one of the builder tag pieces. So one of them is kind of a diagonal, the other is a scalloped, and then there's kind of like a fishtail. I brought out my oldie but goodie Lawn Fawn Winter Gifts stamp set, and I'm stamping to and from on the back. And then from that stamp set as well, I'm stamping out Happy Holidays. I'm just using my Versafine Black Onyx ink for that. And you could really use anything you have in your stash, and if you don't have to and from stamps, you can always write it in. So I thought I better do that before I start building up too much dimension, and then I wouldn't be able to get a crisp stamped image on the back. So now I'm placing the little top part of the tags on, and I'm just using up different pieces of paper that I have. Those two in the middle are actually glitter white cardstock that I'm using, and the rest is just from that scrap pile bag. So they have these two different styles of reinforcers for the tags. There's the scalloped ones, which I'm using here for these two. My glue wasn't quite sticking very well to the glitter cardstock, so I will fix that in a second. And then there's also a just straight circle reinforcer. This edition is really neat as well. So this comes with the tag set, and it just adds a little dimension so that your ribbon or twine or whatever you're using for the top of the tag has a little bit more room at the top, which is kind of nice to have that variation and choice. So I'm just making sure that the glue adheres down to my white glitter cardstock here. And after I laid the stamp block on it, it definitely laid nicely and is nice and adhered to that glitter cardstock. So I popped up all the little kitties on some 3M foam tape, and I'm adding them to the front of the cards. These caroling kitties are so cute. I love it. And to finish off, I'm using some Holtz Tinsel twine. I've had this in my stash for a while as well, but I love it. It just adds some fun to some holiday tags or cards. So I'm trying to match up the colors. I believe there's 3 colors in the package. There's the green, the red, and the blue. So I'm just adding those to where I think they will work best with the tags. And that's pretty much it. Super cute, super fun and easy. I love having some great dies in my stash. I feel like I will be using this one a lot in 2019. To finish off the images, of course, I needed to add some white gel pen just to finish them off and make them pop off the paper a little bit. I added a little white to this one's whiskers, which I thought was fun. Didn't add too much to the black cat because I wanted to keep him black, but I do add a couple little stripes down the side to make him look a little fluffy around his ears. And then this one I'm adding quite a bit to add to the way that I colored her or him. To finish off, I'm using some Nuvo drops in Bubblegum for their noses, which I think is adorable, and there they are, complete. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm starting to wind down the holiday card series. I think I have one left to share with you. So I will see you soon in the next video. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all your comments and sharing this holiday season with me. Bye!